Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. So today also I'm going to make a very simple recipe. And if you're new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. So let me show you what I'm going to make today. I'm going to make this corn. In our place, like usually we boil it and eat, or like we fry it, or we roast it in a fire and we eat that. But today I'm going to make a little bit different. So guys, let's start cooking and let's see what different I'm going to make. Come on guys. So guys, first of all we will peel out this layer. And you hold it here and just break it. See, it's very easy, but it's hard to remove that this chuli. Remove all this chuli. I know it's difficult to remove, but as much as you can remove it. Okay guys, now it's cleaned properly. Now I will remove all the kernel from here. So first row is a little bit difficult. After remove the first row and all the second row and all that, is very easy. So either you can use this one or the back of the spoon or a fork. So I'm using this. Just put it inside and ऐसा करो. First row it will be a little bit messy. Okay, first row is done. Now easily you can remove all the row. See, I have removed everything. It was so easy. Just follow my instruction and it's very easy to remove the kernel. So now I'm going to fry it. Chalo guys, we will fry the corn. I'm using refined oil. The oil is heated. Now I'm going to add this corn. Now we'll add salt, half spoon of salt. Ooh, lovely. It looks so lovely. But it's not lovely chana. Dimapuri lovely chana wana bisi khai rahi jo. Ajikali paina na bhai. So guys, as you can see, it's nicely cooked. I've fried it like 10 minutes. Now I'll keep this aside, and in another frying pan I'm going to add a little bit of refined oil. I'm going to use just a little bit of mustard seeds. So see this, only this much. This is curry pata. If you have lemongrass, you can use lemongrass also. If you don't have lemongrass and if you don't have curry pata, you can avoid it, but the taste will be different. This is garlic. We'll fry it until the garlic turns in brown color. See the garlic? Now it's golden brown. Now after this, add some jeera powder. This is cumin powder, dhania powder, coriander powder. Mix karo. Now add this fried sweet corn in this pan. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And this chili flakes. It's up to you how much you want to add. Oh God, it looks so nice. मुंह में पानी आ गया यार. Before this lockdown, when we used to travel in metro, we always eat this sweet corn where they sell nearby this metro station. Chatpata sweet corn we used to have. For me, I feel like the chili is less, so I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon. क्या हो गया मेरा knife? Sorry, I used another knife, which is not sharp. थोड़ा lemon squeeze करके डाल दो. Wow. I really enjoy cooking, yeah. It gives me so much of good pleasure, you know. Ready to serve. So guys, this is the simple sweet corn pickle recipe. I hope it's clear. See this? It's so good. I've already tasted. Actually, today I was planning that I will make some fish curry, but suddenly I changed my mind and I thought, why don't I make some corn recipe? So I made this today and it's so good. Like today suddenly I remembered going in Sarojini market for shopping. So whenever we go in Sarojini market for shopping, we always have this sweet corn and even the momo and this also. You can even use our local corn and you can make this recipe. And like if you feel like you want to add more lemon, you can add lemon also, and also you can add chaat masala also. I'll show you. It's chaat masala. It's so good and it's so simple. You just need only few ingredients to make this. I hope that you like it. I really like it, and I hope that you like watching also. So guys, if you like this video and if you like watching this video, please like, share, subscribe, and also hit the notification icon. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you so much.